What's good, everybody? Welcome back. It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out aespa Switchblade featuring Dolla. Oh, okay, well, damn, let's go. Let's keep it going. They just performed at Lollapalooza. Damn, they look fine as always.
I got flash, I got flames. I ain't got no limits.
No limit. Oh my god. I will go on a merry-go-round for you. Like different sections of the school.
Let's go.
What the? I'll have everything. Boy, bye. I'm on that beat, boy, bye. I'm on that beat, boy, bye. Clip, hey. Switch it up. Two. Oh, we got Dolla in the building too. It's time to. Oh, red card. Oh, I will, ma'am. Wow. Oh, she the gang leader. Hey. Hey, wait, hold up. Click. Switch. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Why does it remind me of like Teach You a Lesson? Like that whole K-drama that I watched. Be sure to check it out on Patreon though. Watch the whole thing too. Oh. Oh my god. The glare. I'm a that beat boy, bye. L-L-A. Okay, Dolla. 3-piece. Ooh, right there. Soon as they think that we done, that's when you know it's time to switch it up. Switch it up. Switch. Ooh. Hey. Like this. Switch it up. Those brass knuckles with the shaft. Wow, the outfits, the makeup. Oh, I thought I was gonna keep going. What the hell? What the hell? Damn. Okay, aespa, Dolla, you did your thing. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Switchblade featuring Dolla. Oh my god. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.